Welcome to episode 2 of the Steve Ford International Investor Education Series. Today, we explore why Atlanta is the premier destination for global capital. In this episode, we break down why Atlanta is the premier choice for international capital. We'll look at the data, the corporate base, and the unique affordability advantage. Hello and welcome. I'm your host, presenting for Steve Ford, one of Atlanta, Georgia's most trusted real estate investment companies. If you watched episode 1, you now understand why the U.S. real estate market is one of the most compelling investment destinations in the world. Today, we're taking that global perspective and focusing it on the one city that stands out as a beacon of opportunity for international capital. Our goal is to equip you with the specific market intelligence you need to make informed decisions. In this episode, we go deeper into a specific market that we believe every international investor should understand. That market is Atlanta, Georgia, and by the end of this episode, you will understand why with data, not just enthusiasm. Section 1, Atlanta by the numbers. Atlanta is the capital of the state of Georgia and the economic capital of the entire Southeast United States. Over the past decade, it has consistently ranked as one of the top 3 real estate investment markets in the country. This isn't just about geography, it's about a diverse, resilient economy that supports everything from global logistics to high-tech innovation. When you look at the Southeast, all roads truly lead to Atlanta, creating a compounding effect for property values and rental demand. Atlanta adds more than 75,000 new residents every single year, one of the highest population growth rates of any major U.S. city. More residents mean more demand for housing, commercial space, and every type of real estate investment. Atlanta is home to the headquarters of more than 15 Fortune 500 companies: Coca-Cola, Delta Airlines, Home Depot, and UPS among them. These aren't just names on buildings. They are economic engines that employ hundreds of thousands of high-earning professionals. These companies choose Atlanta for its infrastructure, its talent pool, and its business-friendly environment. The same factors that make it a premier destination for your investment capital. That corporate base drives employment, employment drives migration, and migration drives demand. This cycle has been running for over 2 decades. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is the busiest airport in the world by passenger traffic, making Atlanta a critical node for logistics, commerce, and travel. That infrastructure advantage directly benefits our industrial and commercial real estate investments. Section 2, the affordability advantage. Here is something that may surprise you. Despite Atlanta's extraordinary growth, it remains significantly more affordable than comparable U.S. cities. In New York, Los Angeles, or San Francisco, you may need $2 to $3 million to acquire a meaningful investment property. In Atlanta, comparable returns are achievable at a fraction of that cost. For international investors, this means your capital goes further here than almost anywhere else in a major U.S. growth market. You are buying into a top 3 market at price points that still allow the mathematics of real estate to work strongly in your favor. Think about the yield. You're getting high growth potential without the prohibitive entry costs of the coastal cities. It's about maximizing your footprint and your returns in a market that is still early in its global ascent. Georgia also has one of the most investor-friendly legal environments in the country, with clear landlord protections, efficient lease enforcement, and a regulatory environment that makes managing properties from a distance both practical and professionally viable. Section 3, Steve Ford's local advantage. Steve Ford has been headquartered in Atlanta for over a decade. We have invested in Fulton County, Cobb County, and across the Atlanta metropolitan area through multiple market cycles, including recessions, booms, and periods of significant market disruption. This history gives us a perspective that newer firms simply don't have. We've seen how these submarkets react under pressure and how they flourish during growth, allowing us to guide our partners with historical context. When you invest with Steve Ford, you are not working with an operator who reads about Atlanta in a quarterly market report. You are working with a team that has been in this market every day for over 10 years. We know which zip codes are performing. We know which submarkets are transitioning. We know which property types are delivering the strongest returns right now. Not based on generalizations, but on direct experience. And we are expanding. Our plan includes a Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas office, another top 3 U.S. investment market. As Steve Ford grows, so does the opportunity set available to our investors. Legal disclaimer. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. Real estate investment involves risk, including the potential loss of your invested capital. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Every investor's situation is different. We strongly encourage you to consult with a qualified U.S. real estate attorney, a certified public accountant, and your own financial advisor before making any investment decision. Steve Ford International is not a registered investment advisor or broker-dealer. Nothing in this video constitutes an offer to sell or a solicitation of an offer to buy any security or investment product. Please, before you invest in anything, anywhere, speak to a qualified attorney and accountant who understands your situation. We are here to educate and to partner with you, not to replace the professional advice you deserve. In summary, Atlanta offers a unique blend of high growth and corporate stability. It truly is the gateway to the American Southeast. Join us in our next episode as we dive deep into specific submarkets across the Atlanta metropolitan area. Contact Steve Ford International today. We look forward to building your investment future together.